Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about what exactly is a paid plot. Paid plot is pretty much similar to your scatter plot, but it creates scatter plots and histograms for every pair of numerical values in your data. It's so interesting. First you have to fetch all the numerical columns in your data and then you have to pass them into a paid plot. What it will give? Let's say for example, if there are four numerical column, it will give you 4 cross 4, which is like a 16 scatter plots. That's so interesting. Let me show you. First, let me fetch a numerical column. So I'll just call it like numerical columns is equal to, it's going to be data dot select underscore dtypes. I'll just say include is equal to number so that, I'll get all the numerical columns. So first let me show you and let me print for you. Okay, so basically these are the different numerical columns we have. Let's say you want to, actually not everything, we want just, sales, quantity and a discount, profit here. Yeah, so I want these many. Here is anyhow, it's a categorical column, sorry, it's a date kind of column, right? So I'm just extracting the part of data that is using this concept. Okay, so I'm fetching sales column, I'm fetching quantity column, and I'm just ignoring things which are not really important to me. Like idea is not important, year is not important, only these many. So clearly you can see there are four numerical columns, right? So let me just call it like b is equal to. Okay, now I want to plot a pair plot for this, right? Just call simple SNS dot, just use pair plot of, you just need to pass your data. Done. So what it will do, there are four columns. It is going to give you 16 interesting colorful graphs, which basically helps you in understanding how well data is spread out using histogram as well as a scatter plot. So for every pair of data, it is going to give you a graph. Can you see? Sales and profit, it is a scatter plot. Quantity and profit, discount and profit. Profit and profit, it is giving you histogram. Okay, so and if you want to make this colorful, you can also add hue is equal to a category so that definitely you get a colorful graph with respect to different categories. So this is not giving because um, in our data we don't have this, right? Hue, we don't have it. So I can call it like data of category, that would work. Okay, so we didn't pass it, so that's the issue here. No, how can I give two different things? This is like quite challenging thing now. Let me take a quantity as well in this itself and let's try. Not really quantity. It should be category, right? Yes, it's taking now. So paid plot just gives you scatter plot for every pair of like sales quantity, sales discount, sales profit. Similarly, quantity with sales, quantity with discount, discount with profit. For every pair of numerical columns, it is going to generate a paid plot for you. So this is just quite interesting in order to understand the relationship between different pair of variables that to a numerical variable. Always remember pair plot works only with a numerical variables, not with a categorical. And hue can be categorical so that you get a colorful graph. So it's loading. It takes time because we have almost like 16 graphs, and that 16 graphs you have to get it for different categories, right? So obviously it will take time. So you should wait with the patience. Hope it's clear. So taking so much time. Anyways, let it load. So filtering data would be like better option because certain columns might not be important to us, right? So you can just ignore them. You can see here I passed entire data. It's giving it for all the numerical columns. So like for your profit, quantity and all, because I passed the entire data itself, right? So what if I pass a D? Let me try with D and let's explore it because I passed the data, so it was taking all the numerical columns out of it. So filtering is optional. You can pass even your entire data also, but the issue is it will plot graph even for the unnecessary columns as well. Okay, so it's always good to filter like which numerical columns are important, and then you can analyze it. See, now it looks so good. It plotted only for the numerical columns, and it has plotted with respect to hue, which is a category. You could see three different colors. This is so cool, right? And interesting. So this is all about a pair plot. A simple understanding, it just tells you how each pair of numerical variables are related. So that understanding you get to know. Okay. So great. In the next video, let's discuss about an heat map.